far as the CGI addressing the matter in the top court. Let's listen in.
पुनीत वो बैंगन वाला मैंने आज रखा था, पता था।
The matter of national importance, my lord.
My lord, the
This is
issue
the
is,
case,
my lord,
not where the High Court allowed encashment of the guarantee.
Well mentioned, I in fact said that it will be listed today. I'll just tell you.
Without reasons, the bank guarantee is ordered to
I'll
be.
tell you too. It was to be listed today.
Yeah.
Mr. Naidu,
my lord, now it is, my lord, we filed a petition challenging the order of the registrar, re-registering by our petition and rejected it. My lord, registrar, it is petition number 1005 of 2022.
He has lodged.
Your lordship agreed to list it, and my lord, it was rejected by the registrar. I
procedure.
filed a fresh petition.
1 second.
All right, we'll continue to track that as far as that is concerned. Remember, the top court continues to hear the Arjikar matter. We'll, of course, cut across to that as far as what the latest remarks are. But remember, let's also take you through the last hearing, which was an essential remark that came through by the CJI, reading that out, where in that particular remark, he had directed doctors to return to work immediately, failing which authorities were given free hand to take disciplinary action against them. Remember, other remarks that had come in the form on the same day was that in order to create a sense of confidence among the doctors, they had directed that the doctors report for duty on or before 5 p.m. That is 10th of September. In terms of legally speaking, what transpired previously, that is, let's also tell you, as far as those remarks were concerned previously, while the top court was hearing the matter, that CBI was to brief the court about the status of investigation after filing a status report. But what we're looking at essentially here with the fact that in terms of the protests as well, remember there was a deadlock between the West Bengal government and the junior doctors who have continuously been protesting. Now, those protests have not stopped. While the demands of the junior doctors were given to understand, one of which was, of course, dismissal of several people, was done by the West Bengal Chief Minister. Concurrently, we're looking at protests continuing, and that's because of the fact that junior doctors have gone on to state that while the top court hearing is set to resume now just in a couple of minutes, after that, they're going to be taking a call as to what their next course of action will be. So key points that we'll be continuing to track as far as what the Chief Justice of India will be stating in terms of the Arjikar horror and key developments as well. But as we speak about that, let's also tell you as far as the key remarks that were made in the last hearing's order, breaking that down for our viewers at the moment, where the CJI in the last hearing essentially is going on to state, and I'm quoting, he had directed doctors to return to work immediately, failing which authorities were given free hand to take disciplinary action against them. The CBI will also brief the court about the status of investigation after filing a status report. As far as that is concerned, between the last hearing and today, we have looked at several developments that have taken place in this particular case. But let's also tell you, breaking down those important remarks, that is where the top court had said that in order to create a sense of confidence among the doctors, we direct that in the event of the same, that is that the doctors report for duty. This is in the fact that they were continuously protesting. No adverse disciplinary action shall be adopted by the state of West Bengal, given the fact that they hadn't reported to work. And in the event that any further complaint is received in regard of lack of safety or, as the case may be, security, such complaints shall be prompted, attended to Superintendent of Police by making suitable arrangements, that is. Having said that, let's also take you through the remarks that are coming in as far as the bench which is examining the status report, taking points of what one can expect today at the top court. To my colleague Shreya Mondal. Shreya, of course, we're looking at the fact that the CJI is hearing the matter, but having said that, a lot is at stake today with the hearing that is concerned, following the fact that also imperative marks that were made previously in the hearing. And the reason why we have to put this into context as well is because the junior doctors continue the protest. They're going to be looking at what the key takeaways of this hearing is going to be, and then they're going to be taking that next course of action.
Well, of course, all eyes on the Supreme Court hearing, which has just begun right now. We are reporting live from Swasthya Bhavan, and you can see that the cease walk continues. The doctors here, they are still protesting. Now, it is very, very important to understand that in the last hearing, the Supreme Court clearly have given directive to the junior doctors to join work, to resume duties, said that all safety and security concerns will be looked at. Even after Supreme Court asking the junior doctors to join work, we saw that the protest continued, the cease walk continued. Remember, it was only yesterday when the junior doctors have met Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee with their demands. Now, most of their demands were made. Kolkata Police Commissioner Vinit Goyal is to be removed post 4 p.m. today. In fact, remember, they were demanding for the removal of the DHS, the DME, the Health Secretary. Now, the DHS and the DME have been removed. The Health Secretary cannot be removed at this point in time. That is what Mamata Banerjee said, because that is going to affect the healthcare system in the state. Now, the junior doctors, even after yesterday's meeting where Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee have agreed to most of the demands of the junior doctors, said that the cease walk will continue for now. They are looking forward to the Supreme Court hearing. They're also looking forward for the time 4 p.m. when Vinit Goyal is to be removed. After that, there will be a PAN general body meeting, a GB meeting, where decisions will be taken whether or not to continue the cease walk. So we will have to see what the Supreme Court has to say today, because clearly the students here, the junior doctors who are protesting outside Swasthya Bhavan, they have defied the deadline that was said by the Supreme Court. Even the state wrote to the junior doctors time and again, reminding them to join work. They have not joined work back still. So we will have to see what will be the reciprocation that will come from the Supreme Court today.
Right, Shreya. In fact, as you pointed out, and we're looking at protests that are continuing because they are going to be looking at what the key takeaways from the Supreme Court's hearing will be. But at the same time, for our viewers to better understand this, there were demands that were put by the agitating doctors. There was some sort of consensus that the West Bengal government did give in to, not all of them, which is why the protests continue.
Well, what we're picking up from the doctor is that it is not because that the health secretary cannot be removed, but they are saying that after the arrest of the OC of Tala PS and Sandeep Ghosh, the former principal of RG Kaur, in the rape and murder case by the CBI, it has become abundantly clear that there was some involvement of the police and the authorities in hiding the entire case. They said that these authorities, the college authorities and the police, they tried to downplay the entire incident of rape and murder, and that is the reason why they are so firm in their demands that it is very, very important to get rid of the corruption that is there in the health department of West Bengal, that is there in the police department of West Bengal. And even after Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee have agreed to most of their demands, we have to understand that the doctors are still not satisfied. They still need to hold a general body meeting and come to a conclusion. They will, look at the SC hearing, whatever the Supreme Court has to say. The CBI will submit their status report. They will look at it and then they will come to a decision today.
Right, Shreya, thank you very much for getting us more as far as that is concerned, while we, of course, continue to track what the Supreme Court will have to state. All right, that is the latest that we continue to track as far as the RG Kaur matter is concerned. My colleague Shreya Mondal, of course, joined us from Ground Zero where the protests continue. Remember, two aspects of it, like she was pointing out. One, of course, with their certain demands being met is one aspect of it, but they believe... All right, we'll continue to track this development as far as the matter is concerned. Shreya Mondal continues to stay with us. Shreya, coming back to you, apologize for that. Coming back to you as far as the fact that, from Ground Zero, we're looking at these protests just intensify. Having said that, you took us through the details of why they believe these protests should continue. But if I could request you to speak with some of the protesters to really understand at this point of time, what are they also expecting and how for this to pan out for them?
Well, of course, we will definitely try and speak to some of the protesters who are here. Let us try and speak to them and understand. Remember, it was a big move by the West Bengal Bengal government to remove the Kolkata Police Commissioner, that is Vinit Goyal. I'll try to speak to him. आप हमको बताइए कि कल हमने देखा कि पुलिस कमिश्नर जो है उनको रिमूव किया गया, आपका क्या रिएक्शन है इस चीज को लेकर?
देखिए, एक बात, ये डिसीजन लिया गया, पहले हम लोग धन्यवाद जना रहे हैं, और एक बात इम्पोर्टेंट, पहले इम्प्लीमेंट होने दीजिए। वो डिसीजन हुआ है, पहले इम्प्लीमेंट होने दीजिए। इम्प्लीमेंट होने के बाद हम लोग नेक्स्ट डिसीजन हम लोग लेंगे।
I'll also come to you. We see that the protest continues, although we see Mamata Banerjee says that 99% of the demands have been met. How are you reacting to that?
It is met which way? It is a word. It's a minutes. It is not a visible thing. We cannot believe or we cannot trust our protest in line of words. We want that should be implemented. Major thing is in the Supreme Court, not here at all. And the thing which we demanded, Doctors Forum demanded here, that should be implemented immediately, such as all the secretaries, those who are responsible in the Swasthya Bhavan and all that, and in the police also, in police commissioners, who are the lapses, where are the lapses. That inquiry has not been recommended, not been started. I believe it is still pending, still a fishy word. It has not been done. I mean, justice is not there. We are on the way to justice. That much I can do. Thanks to CM, at least she has agreed to sit with them and tried and listened to them, and the way she tried to understand, we hope they will do it, implement it, and justice will prevail upon.